In today's video, let's see the recent maritime accidents. Dutch Coast Guard stabilizes drifting cargo vessel Valdai in North Sea. On December 6, 2024, the Dutch Coast Guard successfully stabilized and secured the general cargo vessel Valdai in the North Sea, despite a mechanical failure. The Coast Guard dispatched rescue vessels and helicopters to the scene, securing tow lines and preventing a potential environmental disaster. This incident underscores the importance of robust emergency response capabilities and the need for regular maintenance and preparedness to handle mechanical failures at sea. Collision between Zarevna and SSI Erdogan Bay in Kattegat Strait. On December 4, 2024, a collision occurred between the bulk carrier Zarevna and the general cargo ship SSI Erdogan Bay in the Kattegat Strait near Anholt, Denmark. The collision occurred during early morning hours under foggy conditions, causing structural damage to both vessels. Emergency response teams from Denmark were quickly dispatched, and the Danish Maritime Authority is investigating the cause and potential environmental impact. The incident highlights the importance of maritime safety practices in adverse weather conditions. Heavy load carrier Jean de Wuy loses gantry cranes off Spanish coast. On December 6, 2024, the heavy load carrier Jean de Wuy lost two large gantry cranes off the Spanish coast. The incident occurred due to a sudden cargo shift, prompting the crew to stabilize the vessel and secure the remaining cargo. Spanish maritime authorities dispatched rescue vessels and helicopters, but no injuries were reported. The incident underscores the importance of cargo security and stability. Products tanker Liquid Gem runs aground off Taiwan coast. On December 7, 2024, the products tanker Liquid Gem ran aground off the Taiwan coast due to adverse weather conditions. The Taiwanese Coast Guard and local maritime authorities promptly responded, ensuring the safety of all crew members. Efforts are underway to refloat the vessel and tow it to a safe anchorage for inspection and repairs. The incident highlights the importance of preparedness and swift action in maritime emergencies. Tanker Orange Ocean rescues skipper from burning yacht Postard. On December 6, 2024, the tanker Orange Ocean saved the skipper of the burning yacht Postard, 420 miles north of Puerto Rico. The fire broke out on board, engulfing the vessel and leaving the skipper with no option but to abandon ship. The crew of the tanker, en route to its next port, launched a rescue boat and successfully reached the skipper, who was safely brought on board and provided with medical assistance. Recreational vessel fire in Elliott Bay sparks multi-agency response. A recreational vessel caught fire in Elliott Bay, Washington, on December 8, 2024. The U.S. Coast Guard, Seattle Fire Department, and Samaritan vessels responded quickly, bringing the fire under control. All aboard were safely evacuated, and no injuries were reported. The cause of the fire is currently under investigation. This incident underscores the importance of a coordinated response in maritime emergencies. Oil tanker La Ruse rescued amid deteriorating weather conditions. On December 7, 2024, the crew of the oil tanker La Ruse requested assistance due to deteriorating weather conditions in the North Atlantic Ocean near Ireland. Despite severe storms and rough seas, maritime authorities dispatched a tugboat to assist. The crew successfully reached the La Ruse and established a tow line, preventing a potential disaster. The incident highlights the importance of prompt and coordinated maritime responses in emergencies. General cargo ship Amadeus Gold runs aground on voyage to Odense. On December 9, 2024, the general cargo ship Amadeus Gold ran aground in the North Sea near the Netherlands coast. Despite multiple attempts to refloat, the ship remains stuck. Despite challenging weather conditions, authorities are closely monitoring the situation to ensure safety. The incident highlights the importance of precise navigation and monitoring systems in navigating through shallow waters. Fire erupts on bulk carrier Langland at Aranaga Port. On December 9, 2024, a fire broke out on the bulk carrier Langland at Aranaga Port, Gran Canaria, Spain. The fire started in the engine room and spread to nearby compartments during routine maintenance operations. Emergency response teams from the Port Authority and local fire department were dispatched, and the fire was brought under control within hours. The cause is currently under investigation. cargo ship BBC Iceland collides with boardwalk in Veracruz port. On December 11, 2024, the cargo ship BBC Iceland collided with a boardwalk in Veracruz, Mexico, due to strong northern winds. The incident caused structural damage to the boardwalk, but no injuries were reported. The ship sustained minor damage and is currently assessing the situation. The incident underscores the importance of robust safety protocols in maritime navigation. Thank you for watching. For detailed article, please link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment area. Subscribe to Marinaura for more updates.